Hello, everybody. Andrea Majewski here. I will be talking to you guys about why I had switched from Mailchimp to Podia. And if you don't know me yet, I have started my own online businesses. I've been doing this now for about 14 years. I'm only 33, but I do make a full-time income from my online businesses. And who would have thought? I had started in a niche where you wouldn't think that people would need it. I'm a dental hygiene and dental assisting tutor, so I tutor online. And as I said, I make a full-time income now doing that all online, which is awesome. So I love helping other people do the same thing. And this is something that I use so much is sending emails. So basically every time somebody signs up for one of my courses, I want to be able to send them an email to say, welcome, I'm so happy to have you. Our courses, our live tutoring starts on, Saturday. So I like to give them information as soon as they sign up because my courses are about $379, whereas the most expensive one right now is $410. So imagine signing up for a course like that, online. You don't know who I am, you don't know who you're sending the money to, but you want to pass your exam, right? So imagine signing up for something expensive like that, but then not getting a welcome email. And what I used to do was I would just be checking my phone probably every like half an hour if I could when I'm able to work from home, and I would just send out these welcome emails. But a good problem to have is that I get a lot of students signing up. So I would quickly, it became a point where I would be spending probably hours upon hours just sending welcome emails. So what I needed was to have something, I guess, digital that would send out emails right away. And I did use Mailchimp probably for the longest time, probably for about, I don't even know how long Mailchimp has been out there actually. So I don't want to say 13 years because I don't think it's been out there for that long, but I've been using it for a long time. And that's not something that I had to pay for, which was amazing. So that just helped me save so much time. Plus, as I had said before, students who sign up, they feel good knowing that they get an email right away. So it sounds personalized, but it's really not, right? I do still try to send a personal email to everybody at some point to see if they have any questions, but I can't always do it right away, which is where automated emails come into play. But the thing about Mailchimp, so first I'll talk about Mailchimp a little bit, and then I'll talk about the new system that I am using, which you can see here. So Mailchimp is good, there's nothing wrong with it, but I just find it very complicated. It's pretty easy to set up your emails. Actually, you know what, you guys, I can show you that right now. I'm just going to pause my recording, and then I'm just going to pop that up. So one moment. Okay, you guys, so I am back. So I just logged into my Mailchimp account. So this is primarily for my tutoring. So for my dental hygiene and dental assisting tutoring. If you want to set up your automated emails, all you have to do is you have to go up to campaigns here, create campaign, choose email, choose automation, and then just sort of say, what type of emails you want. I'm just kind of picking something here. And then you can set up all of the emails that way. So that's actually easy. But the thing about it is it's very time consuming. And if you need to change your emails, that's like honestly next to impossible. You have to click here, click there, scroll down to the bottom, click something else, click over there, click over there. So it's quite complicated. Whereas with Podia, they make it so easy. And I've been using Mailchimp honestly for the longest time, but I just found it complicated. If you don't plan to change any of your emails, then Mailchimp is perfectly fine. But the same email that I sent 2 years ago is not going to apply to the emails that I want to send now. So that's why Podia is so much better and so much easier. So I have logged in to my account here. So just as an example, actually, let me show you guys my website. So obviously, you might be thinking, if you're not a dental hygiene or dental assisting student, this doesn't apply to you, but yes, it does. Pretty much anybody who wants their own website, anybody who wants to start their own thing online, you need a website. And then with the website, it's nice to be able to collect email addresses. So what I do is I put something into my website here. So sign up for a free 7-day board exam prep challenge. So anytime you put an email sign up form on the website, it should be, you want to offer your customers something for free, so not something to pay for. So it doesn't matter if you're a coach, if you're a teacher, if you're selling online courses, if you're just selling anything. So anything that you are selling, it doesn't matter what it is, but you need to be able to offer them something for free. So then that way they sign up and then you can send them emails after that. I'm not talking about sending them emails every single day, but it's a good idea to send them maybe one email every single week so they're always thinking of you. As an example, I was talking to somebody the other day who sells, what she does is she buys furniture. So pretty much like cheap furniture, and then she makes it look nice. So her customers come to her for nice looking furniture that's not new, but it's been used, but it looks new, you know? So those are her customers. On her website, she has a sign up form for sign up for, how did she put it? For decorating ideas, for how to do it yourself type, you know, things. So customers who sign up want that, right? But she sends them one email every single week, that's it, about her latest furniture pieces and then how much they are, hoping somebody will see that and want to purchase. So yes, you want to offer them something for free, but that's because you want to upsell them later on. So just as an example, so I did plug this in here and that was easy. Podia does everything. And then when I log in, I just have to click emails right here. In fact, I can show you guys what that's about because I do have a few happening. I click emails. It just takes a second because I have a lot of emails in here, I think. And what you want to do, so the one that I have set up through the main page, so this one here, whoever sends me their email, they will be signed up for this email campaign. So if you click edit, you will see all of the emails that I had set up. So I do it, so as soon as they sign up, they are sent this one right away. Can you imagine if I had to type this out every single time, even if I had to copy and paste every single time? That's just too much work, but this does everything for me. So my trigger, I did have it set to the main website that I do have. As you can see, I have a lot of different courses, so I could have it set up to a course also. So if you're selling courses, if you're selling certain products, anytime someone purchases that, they will get sent that email right away. So it could be just something simple as, hello, thank you so much for your purchase. If you have any questions, let me know. That could be the only email that you have, but then say a week or two later, start trying to sell people something, okay? Because that's how you make the money. Without these emails, they don't think about you after that, right? They purchase the item and that's it. You could offer them coupons every 2 weeks, or, you know, say buy something, get something half off, but only for those people who sign up for the email. So it is excellent. So all I did was say the first email happens right away, and then I want to send another email 1 day later. So you just have to click that, and it says here, send it 1 day later, and I put it all in here, you know, emails on, all of that. Perfect. That's it. So see how easy and simple that can be. But if I was in Mailchimp, Oh my goodness. It's not hard to set up the emails, like I said, but if you have to edit anything, oh my goodness, it's next to impossible. But here, let's just say I wanted to change something on my fourth email. I just have to click in here, take it away, and that's it. See, it's so easy. So I just wanted to show you guys that because this will really, really help you. It doesn't matter the type of business you have. It could honestly be anything. Sending them emails, it doesn't have to be every single day, but in this case, it is every single day for a week only because they had signed up for, it's called the Board Exam Prep Challenge right here. So a 7-day board exam prep challenge. So they know that they'll be getting emails every single day. But this has helped me sell so many courses, so many products. The more you sell, the more money you make, and then you can work full-time or even part-time, but make a full-time income online from home. That's where it's at. I love it. I can't complain. So I hope this helped you guys. If you have any questions, please let me know anytime, and I'll see you in the next one.